hours only? Can you stand that? So what will you do in 10 hours? What's that? Wow. Do you think the battery can survive? Yes. Feifei, you look tired na.
See you there.
Aww. See you, Ate Zoe in Pitsanulong. We're coming. Yay. Straight. Going to north. So, papunta naman ng Myanmar. Wow, this is it. The mountainous blah blah. Wow. Oh, may ganito pa rin palang dito.
Go up in the wiggly woggly.
Wiggly woggly. And that's the mountain. Wiggly woggly. And tada, we're gonna go down.
Wow.
We're gonna go down, 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 down.
Wiggly woggly.
Kala ko tapos na yung zigzag. Di ba pala?
Ay, wagili-wagili na naman to ah.
Woggly woggly. Ay, oo nga. Pati sa mapa parang pinalo ng ahas eh. Parang ahas na ano.
Ahas na pinalo.
Ahas na pinalo. Yeah, looks like... Wow! Daddy, daddy, daddy. Oh my gosh.
Sorry, sorry.
Tangchay, tangchay ko.
Buti ko lang nasa likod.
Ha?
Buti ko lang nasa likod.
Hold kayo, hold, hold. Careful,
Patayin ko
daddy.
yan?
Alin?
Yung ubong ng...
Parang may narinig ako. So, we're gonna have like 114 kilometers more going to Quezon. Oh, ito na yung, ano nyo, na wiggly-woggly.
Yan, wagili-wagili na naman ito.
The thing here is,
Wow, it looks like a
double lane na siya.
Triple lane na.
Triple lane. Kanina kasi, yes. Kanina kasi, ano lang, one lane kaya ang hirap.
Are we in the body of the snake?
Mahirap pa rin.
Yes, we are inside the body of the snake. We're going up, go up, and down. Wow! Let's stay in the middle, Daddy.
Mahirap nga mag-dito.
Ay, saan? Sa ano?
Isa na may nasa likod. May na-overtake.
Sa tabi. So, si Daddy na kanina pa siyang nagko-control ng manibela at ng clutch at ng brake. So, hindi na mapinta yung ano niya, yung paningin niya.
Hindi natin sa ulan daan eh.
Oo.
Bago
And then I think, Daddy, this is your first time na mag-drive ng ano. O, tingnan mo naman yung mga ano,
So much
kasabayan, ang ganda-ganda. Yung gulong ang taas-taas. Pang bundok talaga. Wow, look at this! This is it. Look at the view. Wow. And we're gonna go up again. Wow. Ah, this is it. And the mountain is there.
Gotta go down. Up and up and down.
Wee! Oh my gosh. Punta na kami ng Baguio. Ganito ba ang Baguio? Hindi ko alam. Going down. Wow! Sige, ikaw na. Wow! Look at that! Look at that! Oh, see? Oh. kid. Oh, ano, we got a lot of slides na.
Ay, oh.
Grabe.
Cool.
Yeah, they're so cool.
There's more.
They're enjoying the zigzaggy. Oh, is this going to Baguio? Wala, hindi na kami papuntang Puerto. Babagyo na kami.
Look like baby. There's like this in the Philippines as well.
I think dati parang mas mazigzag at mabundok dito kaysa sa Chayo. Nandito yung overview ng ano, oh, yung Pechapun na ano, temple.
The White Temple.
The White Temple. Malapit lang pala yun dito. So we're here na pala. Puputok na naman yung tenga ko. Ano naman, aahon na naman tayo nito. 1 hour, we're gonna have like 1 hour and 12 minutes.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow, look at that. It's like a fallen airplane.
Mga puno na
Mommy,
naman.
look at my background.
Ah, oh.
Mommy, look at my background.
Nice.
Mountains.
So ito, papasok na naman tayo sa green and zigzaggy
Kabila na pala ang green.
area.
Oh, look at it.
We're gonna go up.
Look. Ate, look. Look. Oh, it's very big. Very high.
Ah, look, it's in the other side of the road again. What is this? It's like a Chinese temple. Oh my gosh, it's going up. Oh my gosh, what is that?
Ano yan?
Wait, there is a function sa labas sa taas. So kaya yung daan ng pa-temple doon na nakita natin. Anak, if you're... look at this road, Ate. Check this out.
Wow.
Oh, what?
Hi guys! I'm going to Pixanola for real! Not like last time. Guys, you didn't know that. It took 10 hours already.
10 hours only? Can you stand that? So what will you do in 10 hours? What's that?
Play our cute.
Wow. Do you think the battery can survive? Yes. Fefe, you look tired na.
See you there.
Aww. See you, Ate Zoe, in Pitsanulok. We're coming. Yay! Touchdown to Pitsanulok City. So we are now in Pitsanulok City. Okay, here's macro.
In 600 meters, slide right.
Alright. Touchdown na kami. Ito yung minutor nating macro, di ba?
Oo.
So, yay, we're here! And the two kids survived the long trip. Wow! Galing-galing naman ang dalawang to. Because of the help of that tablet. And flex to daddy! He survived the driving! Ang galing-galing ni dating mag-ano pala eh. Pwede na natin siyang isali sa ano,
Kalbo.
sa car race. We're in Pitsanulok! We're in the city. sa Nulog. For how many years?
I remember.
Ilang years na tayo hindi nagpunta dito, Daddy?
Or
4 years. Kasi before, nagmi-meeting lang kami sa Rayong. Last year sa Rayong. And then last 2 years ago, we went to Hua Hin.
And last time.
Other province.
Other province
And
in
last time
Kellen
we
sa
failed.
Pa.
Last time we failed.
Yes, last time we
We
failed.
planned.
We
Because.
planned to come, but we went back because
That is always nonsense.
what did she say? Oh, road widening here in Pisanulog. So we're here. Thank you, Dream. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Lord. And thank goodness to the 2 kids here. They're not pasaway.
Hello,
Just a little.
Just a little bit. It's okay.
Mommy, who's that? The white hair.
Huh?
La Lisa.
Oh, that's Lisa.
The boy.
I don't know.
Bye. We're here.
They're right to their destination. Come on, come on.
There you go. So this is their house. Yan. Maraming bote. Okay. It's closed outside. So we need to doorbell them. We're here.
We're in our destination.
Our destination is the hotel.